It has all the power, plus probably even more than a gas one.
The power of the MX Fuel Trowel, it's a powerful machine.
My experience, the MX trowel, they are just as powerful as a gas trowel, minus the exhaust fumes and maintenance of a gas engine.
When using a battery-powered trowel, it's not releasing any fumes.
The fumes is huge, where you don't have to worry about guys getting sick.
The quietness is insane compared to your gas machines.
Starting with a full battery on the MX Power Trowel. By the time I ran that battery out, the supercharger had the next battery fully charged, ready to go.
They were very impressive. They held a lot of battery life. I didn't need to grab 10 batteries to get one job done.
The 24-inch gets very close to the wall to where you don't have to have so many guys on site finishing by hand.
Good finish with the battery-powered.
Having all MX tools on site is great because you can swap the batteries out. Always have them on hand ready to go.
You leave a nice finish throughout the whole floor.
I think this is the new solution to everything.